Okay, irregular verbs in the present tense. Do all verbs follow the same pattern? No, there are many irregular verbs, verbi irregolari, that you'll just have to memorize. So below are just a few of the most common ones. Essere, to be. Avere, to have. Fare, to do or to make. Volere, to want. Dare, to give. Stare, to be. Bere, to drink. Andare, to go. Dovere, to have to or must. And potere, to be able to or can. How do you conjugate these in the present tense? Okay, so just like we had in the previous one, in the previous slide, we have, essere. So again, you're just going to have to memorize these. So I'm just going to go over them all once, and then you'll have to study this on your own, and just try and just keep going over them over and over and over and over and over again until you remember them. And the more you use it, the more you will get used to what they sound like and what they should be. And just practice makes perfect, I guess. Oops, excuse me. Okay, so we have sono, sei, e, siamo, siete, sono. Okay? Sono, sei, e, siamo, siete, sono. Avere. O, hai, a, abbiamo, avete, hanno. Okay, notice that the H is silent, but we retain it so that you know that it's the conjugated form of avere. O, hai, a, abbiamo, avete, hanno. Fare. Faccio, fai, fa, facciamo, fate, fanno. Volere. Voglio, vuoi, vuole, vogliamo, volete, vogliono. Okay, remember we got that GLI sound in there? Okay, so it's not voglio, it's voglio. Okay, voglio, vuoi, vuole, vogliamo, volete, vogliono. Dare, to give. Okay, do, dai, da, diamo, date, danno. Notice there's an accent on da. That's to distinguish between this and from. Okay, so da also means from without the accent mark. So with the accent, it means third person singular of dare. So do, dai, da, diamo, date, danno. Stare. Sto, stai, sta, stiamo, state, stanno. Bere. Bevo, bevi, beve. Beviamo, bevete, bevono. Okay, this is very different, very, very irregular. Okay. Andare. Vado, vai, va. Andiamo, andate, vanno. Okay. Dovere. Devo, devi, deve. Dobbiamo, dovete, devono. Okay, this one is very similar to bere, just because you got the same endings here. Devo, devi, deve. Okay, bevo, bevi, beve. This one's a little bit different. Dobbiamo from beviamo. But then these are the same. So dovete, bevete, devono, bevono. Okay, and then finally we have potere. So posso, puoi, può, possiamo, potete, possono. Again, we have an accent mark here on the può. Yeah, and these are pretty different as well. So you just have to memorize those. Okay, great job. And just go over these as many times as you can, and make a little song out of it so that you can remember it in your head, and you'll get it eventually.